excited. I am going to be unboxing this, which, yeah, I've been looking for this everywhere, absolutely everywhere. Nowhere has it in stock. It is so difficult to find this now. So difficult, in fact, I had to order it from Germany, and I was expecting to have to pay the tax on it because we've left the EU. Nothing's come through yet, but I'm guessing that I will probably receive a letter in the next coming weeks from DHL. But anyway, yes, this is the PewDiePie Hypersense Nari Ultimate Razer headset thing. As I said, I've been looking everywhere for this, and the only place I could find it was in Germany. So yeah, this is pretty much, I think it's like the highest spec headset that you can get from Razer. I'm not 100% sure, but yeah, it's got the Hypersense intelligent haptics. So essentially, when you are playing a game or listening to music or anything, the headset itself will vibrate. I'm guessing that's going to be amazing if you like playing shooting games or something like that. That's going to be insane. The earpads have got cooling gel infused stuff in them, which is pretty cool. Game chat balance, analog wired playback, so it does come with a normal cable if you don't want to use the wireless feature. So it's got the microphone, everything. It's got the chroma. The side of the box is pretty awesome. I love this design so much. The back gives you quite a lot of details about everything. The Hypersense and all that stuff is on here. You get a 2-year warranty. I don't know if I get that because I bought it from a third party, I think. Here, got the Bro Fist for the top. Got this little tag on here. And at the bottom, some details. So, I'm gonna unbox this now. Oh god, I'm both excited and nervous at the same time, because I haven't looked at this yet, so I don't know if it's going to be as described. Oh my god, that looks incredible. Okay, I don't want to take it out yet. Okay, what's this? And this is just a little bit of cardboard that is covering up your aux cable. Here you have your charging cable. It is just a normal USB, not USB-C. I like the fact that these have got the lime green, you know, keeping on brand for Razer. And what else have we got in here? Just a little instruction book. Oh, we get some stickers. We get the Bro Fist and we get the Razer sticker as well. Pretty cool. Nari Ultimate. Tells you how to register it. Oh, that's pretty cool, so I can still register it for the warranty, so that's good. Tells you how to connect them. Okay, so I will read that later on, but for now, let's have a look at the actual headset. Okay, I think that's it for everything in there. So let me move that to the side. And this is a big old beefy headset. This is huge. That's quite weighty. Quite weighty. These move very, very easily, so I'm assuming they're gonna fit to your head pretty well. Up on here it says Pewds, and it's got the Bro Fist on here. I think that's the part that lights up. Can't really see anywhere else that would light up. On here you have your aux cable, you have your charger, I guess that's on and off, microphone silence, and then the, I don't know if that's the microphone volume. And on this side, I'm going to guess that that is our Bluetooth button. and then volume up and down, and again the bro fist. It has this metal part on the top. It says Razer on this part underneath. It is very, very padded, which is quite nice. Has a nice mesh on there. The pads themselves are very, very squishy. Even has bro fists in the cups, which is pretty awesome. I'm going to try them on and see how they feel on the head. Okay, they feel really comfortable. You can literally fit the entirety of your ear inside them. At the moment I've been using the Beats Studio, and they kind of don't fit my ears properly. I don't know if that's, you know, they kind of sit on the ears instead of the ears going mostly into the cup, if that makes any sense. But yeah, this feels really comfortable. Doesn't feel too heavy. It's not the lightest headset that I've felt, but it's definitely not the heaviest. You have the mic that comes out as well. It's quite posable. And then if you don't want to use it, you can just fling it back in there and you are done. That is pretty cool. So yeah, they are quite plasticky, if you can hear. But you know, you're paying for the brand, and if the Hypersense stuff is good, then I think that will be pretty awesome. So yeah, that is my unboxing video of the PewDiePie Nari Ultimate headphones by Razer. If you want to see me do a full review of these, then please let me know in the comment section. And yeah, that's it. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you all in the next one. Adios.